Suppose an ordinary annuity consists of quarterly payments of $250 for 6 years. What's the annuity's present value, discounting at 8% compounded quarterly? Here, we're given that the annuity structure is ordinary, so we can assume that the payments are happening at the end of every payment period. Let's check and see if the payment structure is the same as the compounding structure. Both of them appear to be quarterly, so this is going to be a simple annuity, so our present value formula that's given here should apply. So let's begin by putting in some of the parameters that we know. We know our equal-sized payment is $250. We have I is 8% compounded quarterly, so 0.08 over 4. The last thing we're going to need is that negative power, negative n. Here, payments are happening quarterly, so our frequency number is 4, and these payments last for a span of 6 years. So quarterly payments for 6 years means we have 24 of these payments altogether. So let's take a power of negative 24. Now we come to the tricky part, which is trying to get this into the business math calculator. Again, I'm going to start inside the numerator of our fraction, beginning with 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.08 over 4. I'm going to close that bracket and then raise this to the power of 24, and then I hit the plus minus button to make this a negative 24. Let's go ahead and hit the equals button. This is going to give us the decimal number inside the numerator of our fraction. We need to divide this by bracket, 0.08 over 4, close bracket, and hit that equals button once more. And now that we have the decimal number that represents our fraction, we can now multiply this by 250. And this gives us a present value of $4,728.48.